Hello everyone, I am Ravina and this is my Pecha Kucha presentation on field placement which I had completed at Samaj Kalyan Shiksha Samiti. It is an old age home. I have completed my placement at Samaj Kalyan Shiksha Samiti. It is an old age home. It is located in Sonipat, Haryana, and this is its website where we can go and check how it works, and my supervisor was Mr. Bharat Bhushan. How I get enrolled into this placement? I have to go through the interview process, then student declaration and then employee declaration. In the interview, I had to make them understand why I need this 240 hours placement. Then they asked me some basic questions and I got confirmation to join the placement. About the old age home, their aim is to provide older adults a home and a better take care away from home. The organization do many social work, including this old age home. 5 goals of my placements were: planned a diet chart with dietitian, use of technology, worked with co-workers, done inventory of menu items, and control and direct food preparation while working with head chef. My first goal was to plan diet chart with the dietitian. I planned diet chart for the residents. With the help of my dietitian, I was glad to plan diet for the residents and learn to prepare a good diet chart for a particular person. My dietitian gave me the responsibility to prepare the diet plan according to their health conditions, sometimes according to their food preferences too. Planning a diet chart according to their health condition is the most important thing in the old age home. My second goal was control and direct food preparation with head chef. Working with the head chef in food handling was great to me, and I worked with him and got chance to have a deep look on the preparation of the food and its storage. I learned how to serve food safely, and I also learned how to keep the kitchen area hygiene at work. I learned to keep the kitchen area clean and hygiene, keeping the things at the correct place so as to avoid any cross-contamination. Use of technologies in the placement. I used technologies to record the data and to prepare the food faster than the usual time taken to prepare that particular food. I had worked with co-workers and learned to cooperate with people of different mindsets, and I supported my co-workers to work efficiently and ethically. I learned the teamwork, which was new to me. The teamwork makes the man responsible and disciplined, and he can be responsible to take the healthy risk, and healthy risk will develops into him, and along with the conflict resolution skills. Does the inventory of menu items. In this placement, I had many things including the inventories of supplies of goods and services. I completed my task very effectively and in the limited time. Highlights of the placement. The following are the highlights of my placement. I got the chance to work with dietitian and plan diet chart for the older adults according to their health conditions. Then, next, learned many health related problems and take care of older adults according to their condition. I motivated senior citizens for the importance of nutrition by reading books for them and showing some videos. I also make senior citizens to keep themselves busy in several activities so that they do not feel lonely. My organization also does social work, like I also get chance to participate in that social works too. How this placement influenced me. This placement have great role in learning what food and nutrition management is. Working in the old age home was new to me, but I was it was very interesting. I loved working there and also get new know how healthcare workers are working hard for us and our loved ones. I have food science background, so this was very new concept to me. Initially, it was difficult for me, but at this placement, I got interest in this field and worked very well as expected. Due to this placement, I know now I am very confirm about my next year plan. First and the foremost recommendation is that one should actively have a look on several activities had there so that he can understand what is going on and how they work in this placement. The second one is they should try to do most of the works by themselves because watching and listening is different. Motivation to this presentation is self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. Thank you.